How to add an action button on GoDaddy website builder. Looking to make your GoDaddy website more engaging? Adding an action button is a great way to guide visitors to take important steps like contacting you and signing up or making a purchase. Here's how you can do it in just a few clicks. First things first, go to godaddy.com and log into your account. Let's go to it. So I have already logged into my account, so it directly goes to the online appointment. Let's go to the dashboard. Now once we're in the dashboard, you can see a list of options on your left hand side. You can see it over here. From this option, go to website and scroll down and go to edit website, which is over here. Simply tap on it. Once you're in the edit site, you can see this type of interface. The way of adding a button in GoDaddy is a little bit different from other platforms. You can see a little option to add any buttons over here. However, on your screen you can see a plus button like this over here, which is used to add a section. Tap on our section, and over here search for button, and you can see a button over here. Under it you can see about section and others. That means it also provides a ready-made templates for you that you can use for the button. Let's use this one. Simply tap on add, which is over here. Tap on it and it's added over here. Now we can edit it. So over here we can see 4 buttons. There's a button. You can title the button names. Maybe let's keep it explore website for this one, the title. And here you can see a secondary title. If you want, you can keep it, and if you don't, you can simply delete this one. Let's keep it explorer section. Here you can see 4 buttons over here. You can add up to 24 buttons over here, or also delete this ones too. Like I don't want this one. Let's tap on this and you can delete like this one. So it's deleted. So it's easier than you might think. Let's edit one of the buttons over here. So this is the button label and there's a link too. Let's keep the label as it is. So here I do have 4 pages. A link to is basically to direct you to the some page or the website URL or the phone number of the products that you want. For example, if you want your visitors to go to the products, you can keep it the links to the products that will direct your button. And let's keep it products for now. And you can also see a categories over here. You can also edit button styles from here. That includes theme color and how the button looks like. Let's keep it like this. This is how it looks like. You can edit that too. And you can also keep it as a theme color. That means it will look something blue according to the theme, or you can edit it yourself too. Let's keep it as it is, then tap on done. And you can also edit the color. Let's keep it something a little bit light color maybe. Okay, let's keep it light. Then you can also edit a fonts from here. Let's keep it heavy Italica for now. So now it will look like this. Let's publish it for now. Give it a moment. Okay, let's view the site. And this is how it look like. I only edited one button over here. You can also edit others and direct your visitor to certain URL or the products that you want. So that was how to add a button in GoDaddy website builder, and I also taught you how to edit or customize it. I hope this video helped, and at last, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.